TGIF, happy Friday, my friends. I hope everyone is looking forward to the weekend ahead. So we will not waste any time. We will dive on into today's work from home job lead. Just know if you're interested in applying, the links are in the YouTube description box below. Today's job lead is from the company Bread Financial. Now, they are a tech-forward financial services company, and they are hiring a remote collections supervisor. The good thing about this supervisor position is you can have a higher level and higher paying supervisor management position, and they only actually require 1 year of experience. So let's just dive on in. Real quick, I do want to note this is for only some select states within the United States. Those are Ohio, Idaho, Georgia, Washington, New Mexico, Utah, Arizona, Kansas, North Carolina, Indiana, and Texas. But the collection supervisor is going to not only interact but also motivate others with a background in banking or collections support. Now, they're looking for someone to provide support to ensure associate call quality and negotiation are within the compliance. You'll also help coach and develop the people you're under. You'll help with training, all of those things you would think a supervisor would do in the collections call center. Now, this does require a high school diploma or GED, but no college degree is required. And the only thing that is required as far as experience is 1 or more years of type or focused work experience. So some kind of customer support experience. They say 6 months or more experience leading people or coaching performance in a call center, customer service, sales, or retail environment. So if you've been a team lead before or anything like that, anything where you have coached people or led people and been in a leader position, only 6 months is required. Of course, they do have preferred options, including bachelor degrees and 3 or more years of experience, but that is not what is actually required. Now, if you think you would make a good leader and supervisor for a call center, the salary range is always dependent on many factors, including your work location, your education, and your experience, but their salary range is pretty high. It starts at $51,000 a year and goes all the way up to $122,000 a year. For a supervisor role of a call center, that is a very good salary. Of course, on top of that salary, they do offer a complete benefit package, including a 401k, medical, dental, vision, all of the things. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you. 2 videos will be popping up on your screen. One I picked for you and the other YouTube picked for you that you might enjoy next. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss another work from home or money making video from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.